Okay, hi friends, we'll be doing something nice today, and today I'll be showing you 10 settings you should change right away in your Windows. And the first setting we'll be looking at is creating a restore point, enabling system protection and creating a new restore point. Okay, like for example, what happens if you install a bad piece of software or a defective driver and your computer start acting strangely or weird and you can't even boot? You will want to revert Windows, right, to its previous version, which will turn back the clock on your driver's programs and set into a time when the system worked perfectly. However, Windows 10 comes with system protection disabled. If you want to protect yourself, you should set up restore point. So I'll be showing you on how you can set up a restore point for your Windows. Just use your search, you type in restore point. Okay, create a restore point. So you create a restore point. You can put them a description. Okay, first you have to choose the dictionary. You have to configure it, work on it. Okay, probably I enable my system production and yours might be disabled, so you just have to turn on system protection in your Windows. And when you're done, you can decrease this to its maximum usage, 2%, or you can put it as maybe lower than that, depends. So you click on OK. Then the next thing we'll be doing will be creating the restore point. So you can type in a description or like how you're going to identify the restore point, what you're going to use in identifying the name. So you can put in first restore or my Windows restore. Okay, let's use first restore. First restore, and you create. Okay, it starts loading. The system creation starts loading. If you need to restore from one of this point, you can click system restore button on your system protection tab. If you can boot, you can hit F8 or shift. So you just have to wait for a while. So your restore point is loading, and when it's done loading, probably it will show you the restore point was created successful. Okay, we just have to wait for a few minutes, and trust me, restore point, there's no notification that will show you that the restore point creation was successful. So it's like it's taking long to load. We'll be moving to the second setting, and the second setting is enabling your file extension. Yeah, look at this. The restore point was created successfully. So now we just have to close this and put an OK on that. And the next setting we'll be looking at is how to make your file extension and hidden files to be displayed. And sometimes there are some files that may harm your system, or there are some files that they're not good for your system, and probably your system might hide the files, or even file extension like information about your files. By default, Windows 10 hide most file extension, so when you're browsing through your files, you can easily see what type of file there. You just have little report on the file. Example, you just have little report, you don't have much details about the file. And sometimes file extension is kind of like easy, like I do download videos in HTML. So with the use of file extension, I'll have to change the file extension, the file probably I have to delete .html, html, and I'll put mp4 with the use of file extension being open. So I'll be teaching you how you can enable your file extension and your hidden files to display. So the first thing you can type in control panel on your search. Control panel on your search. Oh, my system is super fast. With just a click, I'm getting double pop out. So you view small icons. And what do I have here? File Explorer option. So yeah, and this way you're going to see everything. So you navigate to view. So okay, hide extension for non-file type is already enabled in my system. Oh look, hell yeah, this is what I'm looking for. You come over here, show hidden files and folders. You click on show hidden files and folders in Drive. You click down. Okay, show folder, show library. Okay, hide extension for no files. You have to unclick this, unclick this, and unclick this. Forget about that, we'll be working on this setting later. Like everything on your system, you get some shit pop out. I'll be showing you guys on how to disable that. Sources, okay, apply, okay. So I'll teach you the importance of the file extension. Probably I got a video here. Okay, let's see. Check my OneDrive. Okay, I just want to show you the importance of your file extension. Okay, we do have a movie here. Okay, let's use another movie. Okay, this, and probably you downloaded the movie name, and the movie was in HTML, and probably when you're saving movies with save.net with YouTube, they usually save them as HTML. So, and look at this. Actually, my file manager, my default video app won't be able to open it except I use special apps like VLC or whatever. So what you have to do is to change the name to the video format, and that's mp4. This is important of you enabling your file extension, making it displayable. So boom, it's back. You see, it's back with the picture. So that's the importance of the file extension. And the next setting we'll be looking at, I was talking about you won't do any leave sheet on your system, some sheet pops out. So you want to set anything, you want to click anything, it shows you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Some of those settings are very annoying sometimes, so I'll be teaching you on how you can disable the setting. So that's quite easy using a Windows search. Just type in user account control. Okay, user account control setting. Look at this. This is what I was trying to say. Do you want to allow the app to make changes to your system? If you want to click something on your Windows search it shows you this sheet. So we're teaching how you can disable this sheet pop out on your Windows. So this is what we have to do. We have to reduce this notification sheet here. Look, this we have to reduce it. You drag it down, get it here. You don't have to tell me anything. And when it's up here, always notify me when I have tried to install software. Even when I want to install software or make changes to my computer, I make changes to my Windows and you'll notify me. That's boring. So I recommend you to get it down here. Yes, and give it an OK, and trust me, that setting is not going to pop out again. That's the end. Okay, the next setting we'll be looking at is disabling the lock screen. Back when I was like some kid or some young guy, my uncle would always tell me, don't play with your control panel already. You know how she works, because the setting controls how your system works. So I will advise you to be careful with your registry editor, because it looks like the life of your Windows, how your sheet pops out, the clicks, how your app open, everything works with the registry editor. So sometimes it disable the lock screen. So I'll be teaching you how to disable the lock screen, unless you have a tablet. And even if you do, the Windows lock screen is an unnecessary decoration that makes you click or swipe one extra time every time you boot up or wake your computer. In order to unlock your computer, you have to dismiss the lock screen. But then you still have to enter your password on the lock screen. Why not just go straight to the lock screen? No, when you sleep your laptop, you just need to input it. Sometimes I'd be like, when my mom is calling me and I just close my laptop and I was working on it properly and I came back and I want to continue what I'm doing, I'll have to input my password. My password is almost 20 digits. It takes me a whole lot of time. So I'll be teaching you guys on how to disable this. So you have to open your registry editor, and please friends, I advise you not to joke. Okay, we're using a shortcut key. The Windows button with letter arrow like this. Windows button with letter arrow. What do you think about that? Okay, that's the shortcut key for run. Yeah, so you type in the red kitty. I don't know if I'm giving it the best pronunciation. And you click on OK. Yes, this is a powerful setting for Windows 10. You see, I'm always fond of using these, and my uncle want me not to use it, but I'm a good computer wizard, so I'm good with it. I'm not scared using it. So you go to the H key local machine, the software policies. Look, these policies and Microsoft. And what do we have here? Windows. So you click on Windows. All you have to do is to create a registry key, and you can call it personalization. So you create a new key, and if you don't have the personalization, then you can create. But mine, there's no No, there's no registry key called personalization, so I'll be creating a new key. So you have to click on the key, you come to 32-bit and you type in personalization. Personalization. Okay friends, yeah, I'll be naming it personalization. Yeah, okay, let's just put it as number of lock screen. Okay, let's just delete this and rename it. Sorry, let's rename. Okay, we're gonna call it number lock. Different. Okay, we're gonna call it number of lock screen. That will be the name. Number lock screen. Number lock screen. So you change the value to 1. Okay, put an OK on these and boom, you're done. You can exit. So the next setting I'll be showing you is now changing your default browser. If you upgraded to Windows 10 from Windows 7 or 8, you'll notice that Microsoft Edge is now your default browser. Even if Chrome or Firefox was your default browser, each browser is a bit faster than Chrome or Firefox, but doesn't provide the level of extensibility that its competitors offer. If you are a Chrome or Firefox user, you will want to change your default right away. So I think changing the default to Chrome is also a nice idea. So navigate to setting. Okay, let's be a little bit fast with this. You go to setting. This is them. Let's make this wider. Come in. So I prefer using my Windows search. I like toggling around looking for some setting like some. Okay, you just have to move up. Okay, it's already on Microsoft Edge, so you can change it I'll be changing it to Chrome. It might not take my time. Don't take my time. Reset. I don't know why it's taking lots. Oh, sorry, there's no browser in my laptop. I forgot that. So the next thing we'll be doing is we'll be deleting your Windows old folders. If you upgraded from Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10, the installation program keeps a copy of previous version around just in case you want to roll back. However, these files, which live in a folder called windows.o, take up to 15 to 16 gig of your disk space. If you plan to stay with Windows 10, and you should, yeah, there's no reason to keep these archive files around. Unfortunately, deleting them isn't quite as simple as dragging the Windows 0 folder into the recycle bin. So you have to do some setting in order to delete them. So you have to navigate to your control panel. You will navigate to your control panel. These icons look a little bit small, so you go to administrative tools, and you see so the disk clean. Click on disk clean. Yep. Yo, so look at this. It looks like go to check up system files. Previous Windows installation. Okay, it's still scanning. We just have to wait for him. It might be fast, but keep on scanning, man. Keep on scanning. You're wasting our time, man. Keep on scanning. Oh man, what's wrong with you, man? I say scan. 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 Oh, it's taking our time. This may take a few minutes to complete. Sorry, friends. Okay, I'll just have to tell you guys what will happen or what is going to pop out after it's finished downloading. So after it's downloading, it's going to show you the disk cleanup, and the more option. You can go to the disk cleanup and you select temporary Windows installation files, and oh, the guy is really it's moving. Okay, should we wait? So you click delete files and you delete all the files, and we are done deleting them, and trust me, it will free up your space. Oh, keep on loading, man. And the next thing we'll be working on is the duration on how your Windows 10 shut down. No, I do have some of this old Windows 10, sorry, Windows 7 Dell. I do have this Dell that doesn't take too long to shut down. Actually, it's not mine. Yep. See what I was looking for. Previous version. Oh my god, 29 gig. Oh my god, 29 gig. Delete all the files. See? So actually it takes few seconds for my system to shut down, but with this new Windows 10 it takes up to 2 minutes sometimes if it's working, if I'm working on the slow ones. So you remember back with the old PC at 19th, it quickly shut off. You just have to hit the power button and walk away. Boom, the system is off. But in some cases, Windows 10 even stops and wait indefinitely for you to force close open application. If you decide to reboot your computer, you probably meant to close that WordPad window with the remake.txt file option in it. You can speed up your shutdown by setting Windows 10 to kill processes and application in short order. So I'll be teaching you how to do that. I'll be using the registry RE. Yeah, click on yes, not twice, just once. So you go to local machine, yeah, system, yeah, current, system, not software, current control set. Then you go to control. Way to kill service timeout. What do you think about that? Way to kill service timeout. You have to change this, man. No, changing the value. New. Oh god, what's happening? Okay, modify. Change the value to 2000 and trust me, your system is going to boot in few seconds. 2000 and click OK. And when you're done, you can exit the application. So I hope you enjoyed my video. To my YouTube channel, Angelo Technology, and I'll try my possibly best to work out any problems you comment or share with. If you do have any problems with your device, you can just comment on any of my video on YouTube, or you can add me up on Instagram, Facebook. My username Angelo Miles Google. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, my account is very active. And any problems you do have, you can test me. I'll try my possibly best to fix it. Okay, thank you friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Angelo Technology.